Hey, this is John Carlos, and I'm here with a look at the Funko Pop of Agent May from Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. She stands pretty good on her own, but she comes with a little figure stand, which you can just plug into a little hole on the bottom of her feet, and she stands like so. Like all Marvel Pops, this is a bobblehead. If you like bobbleheads, then you're going to be fine with it. And if you don't like bobbleheads, if you just let it sit still on your shelf, it looks just like all the other Pops. And I think this is a pretty good Pop. This is coming from someone who's a fan of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., and I really like Ming-Na Wen, and I'm a fan of the Melinda May character. I think she's kind of a badass. So I think it's great that they made a Pop of this. Because they started off with Agent Coulson, but I think it's great they're kind of expanding the brand a bit. They did a good job with this figure's pose. They made kind of like the smaller female body, which is why it requires a disc, because it's usually small and can't stand that good on its own. But if you go look up close, you can see that it's some pretty good work as far as like these little details on her boots, like the little straps going across the front, and the use of like a shinier black contrasted against the lighter black. Pockets on her pants look good. Even these little tiny wrinkles on the side of her pants. I mean, for such a tiny figure, I think it's cool they included a little wrinkle on it. And then she has a very kind of like unique vest thing on the show. And I think they did a good job with the kind of like belt going across the front of it. The design of it, the collar's good. I love the S.H.I.E.L.D. logo on the side. But even like her fingers and her thumb is coming through the sleeve. The actual thumb paint on both hands, it's a little tiny detail that worked out pretty good. So overall, I'm impressed with this. The blue paint meets the black. Doesn't bleed or anything, so that's good. And I think they did a pretty good job with like the sculpt of her hair. I think it certainly reads like May's hair. I like the way it hangs over to the side on the left. The design of it's good, the sculpting of it's good, and the paint is pretty solid as well. Here's a look at the top so you can see the part, and then where it kind of splits in the front here. Eyebrow paint solid, eyeballs look really good and clean. There's no like paint like all messed up on her face. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this Pop. I think there's some nice little details within this sculpt. I think the paint application's really clean. And I think the pose they put her in is pretty cool. There's a little bit of sass to it, and I think that's appropriate for Melinda May. And I'm really happy they made this Pop, because now I'm hoping that maybe they'll make more Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. figures, because I would love a Pop of Deathlok or Mockingbird. So here's hoping. Thanks for watching.